हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। तो बच्चों, मैं हूं आपकी कंप्यूटर टीचर जो आपको इस पूरे सेशन में पढ़ाने वाली हूं। तो बच्चों, हम आज शुरू करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1, जो कि है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट इज अ कंप्यूटर स्टूडेंट्स? अ कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस यूज्ड इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पसेस. In the previous class, we have learned about evolution and generations of computer, and in this chapter, we will learn about the different types of computers. Okay, nowadays different types of computers are used that can be categorized on the basis of their functioning, size, speed, processing power, and cost. Okay, students. Now, what are the categories of computer on functionality, students? So on the basis of their functionality, computers can be classified into three categories. Okay, students. First is analog computer, students. Second is digital computer, and third is hybrid computer. Okay, so let's learn them one by one. Okay, students. So analog computer. An analog computer is a computer which is used to process analog data. Analog computers store data in a continuous form of physical quantities and perform calculations with the help of measures. Okay, these computers operate by measuring instead of counting. Okay, students, it measures the continuously changeable physical quantities like voltage, pressure, water flow, etc. This type of computer generally displays the output in the form of a graph. Okay, students, example of analog computers are mercury thermometer, speedometer in cars, etc. Okay, students, क्या होता है कि जो एनालॉग कंप्यूटर है, आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स वोल्टेज में मेजर करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, प्रेशर मेजर करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, वाटर फ्लो मेजर करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंटर होता है स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये सारे के सारी जो मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, ये सारे क्या कहलाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? एनालॉग कंप्यूटर होते हैं, जो डिस्प्ले करते हैं अपना डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्राफ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर, दैट इज डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. Digital computer refers to the computer that uses binary digits to generate, process and display data. Okay, आपको याद रखना है कि binary digits use करते हैं जनरेट करने के लिए, डेटा प्रोसेस करने के लिए एंड डिस्प्ले करने के लिए. The results produced by the computers are more accurate than that of analog computers. Okay, all the modern computers that we use like desktop, laptop and the smartphone are the examples of digital computers. Now let's learn about the hybrid computer, students. Hybrid computer refers to a computer that provides the functionality of both an analog and a digital computer while processing and displaying data. Okay, it uses the speed of analog and accuracy from डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये स्पीड यूज करता है एनालॉग कंप्यूटर की, क्योंकि स्पीड इज गुड इन एनालॉग कंप्यूटर एंड एक्यूरेसी इज बेटर इन डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज जनरली यूज्ड इन साइंटिफिक रिसर्च एंड specialized applications. Heartbeat measuring machine is the common example of the hybrid computer. Okay students, now let's read this fact folder, students. Here we can now track our health goals by synchronizing the smartwatch to the GOQII app for in-depth analysis and get personalized recommendations from our health coach. Okay, it has innumerable features within the app which make a positive shift through a healthier lifestyle. It has vitals with integrated SpO2 monitor, heart rate monitor, body temperature, BP monitor and much more. Now students, let's learn about the categories of the computers on size, speed and processor. So computer differ in their size, speed and processor. On the basis of these factors, computer can be classified into four categories, students. First is microcomputer. Microcomputer is also called personal computer. It is a type of computer that has one microprocessor as its processing unit, and this type of small computers is made to be used by a single user at a time. Okay, now look at some of the examples of microcomputers below. Desktop. Students, first is desktop. Desktop is a personal computer placed at a single place on a desk or a table. All its peripherals are connected through wire or wireless. Okay, due to its size and power requirements, we cannot carry this type of computers. They are generally used in schools, offices, etc. Okay, now let's learn about the laptop, students. What is a laptop? Laptop is a portable and small PC that can be kept on our lap and suitable for use while traveling. Okay, it has a built-in mouse, a monitor and a keyboard. It works on rechargeable battery. Laptops are mostly used by marketing executives who travel frequently far from their offices. Okay students, now let's learn about the tablet. Tablet is a portable computer smaller than the laptop. It has a touch screen as its primary input device instead of mouse. It also works on the rechargeable battery, but it has less features than a laptop. Tablets are commonly used by professionals in various organizations. Now students fact folder देखते हैं. The term tablet PC was first introduced by Microsoft in 2000. Okay students, now what are the, now students, second type of computer is mini computer. Okay, now a mini computer is bigger and more powerful than a microcomputer. It can contain one or more microprocessors as its processing unit. This type of computer is mainly used for scientific and engineering computations. A mini computer has a capability to serve a number of users simultaneously. For example, PDP-11, PDP-8, HP-3000, etc. Okay, now mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is very large, fast and more powerful than a mini computer. It can have multiple microprocessors as its processing units. Some mainframe computers are so big that they require space as large as that of a room. Such computers are generally used in big organizations where huge amount of data is used, such as banks. For example, students, IBM series, IBM 4381, ICL 39, etc. Let's learn about supercomputer. Supercomputer is the largest and fastest of all the types of computers. Even some supercomputers require such space as that of a floor of a building. They can process a very large amount of data quickly. They are used by the government departments to do tasks such as weather forecasting or rocket launching. For example, PACE, Titan, Sunway, Thyolite, Pratyush, Meher, etc. Okay. Now, what is written in fact folder, students? The Param 8000 was the first machine in the series and was built from scratch. Vijay P. Bhatkar is best known as the architect of India's national initiative in supercomputing, where he led the development of Param supercomputers in 1991. Okay. Now students, let's learn about the special computers. A specialized computer is a hardware device that have the capabilities of a general purpose computer, but it is designed to only do specific tasks. Okay, let's learn about these computers in detail. So students, special computer में सबसे पहले आता है embedded computers. And embedded computer is a special type of microprocessor based system that is developed by for performing a specific task. Okay, it is different from general purpose computer like a PC. Today embedded computers are used in various applications. Let us learn about some embedded computers in detail. Okay, तो बच्चों embedded computer में सबसे पहले आता है digital camera. Digital camera is one of the most commonly used devices. Due to the use of the embedded computers in it, these cameras become very smart and provides lots of features that were not present in older cameras. The main function of a camera is to capture photographs and shoot videos. It also has a memory to store the captured photos and videos. Okay, now microwave. The microwave oven allows us to warm and cook food, right students? It contains a computer system embedded inside to control the time and temperature. It often has a displayed keyboard and a number of sensors and actuators. Okay students, now let's learn about ATM, which is also an embedded computer. ATM means automated teller machine, allows us to withdraw money from our bank account anywhere and anytime. This machine is connected with the bank server. When we withdraw money from the ATM, the equal amount is debited from our bank account. We can also deposit money, transfer money from one account to another, and even print a statement of account transactions. Okay, let's learn about handheld computers. A handheld computer is a miniature computer that can conventionally be stored in a pocket of sufficient size and used while holding it in our hands. Most of the handheld computers have a touch screen in which we input data by using our fingers. Okay students, let us learn about some handheld computers in detail, students. So our smartphone is also a handheld computer. It's a type of cellular telephone which with an integrated computer and other features such as an operating system, web browsing, and the ability to run software applications. It has a touch screen and a rechargeable battery. The size of the smartphone is smaller than that of a tablet computer. अब देखो बच्चों, स्मार्ट वॉच इज ऑल्सो अ व्हाट इट इज handheld computer is a wearable computing device which closely resembles a wristwatch or other timekeeping device. It provides a feature of an older watch and some advanced features of smartphone like connecting to the internet, using mobile apps, and making phone calls, etc. Personal digital assistant is a handheld computer that has a touch screen and allows to organize our daily routine works like schedules, calendar, and address book information. It also has a pen like stylus which allows us to give input. It can also accept handwritten input directly from the touch screen. Okay, now gaming console, students. So gaming console is also called video game console, is a computing device specially designed to play video games. Okay, we can connect the gaming console with television to play games. Some commonly used examples of the gaming consoles are PS5, Sony PlayStation, Nintendo GameCube, GameCube and Nintendo Y. Okay. Now here's a fact for the given students. The first gaming console named Brown Box. जो students first gaming console क्या था? Brown Box था. It was developed by Ralph Baer in late 60s. Okay, students. This you have to remember. Now let's learn some throwback point, students. Nowadays, different types of computers are used that can be categorized on the basis of their functioning size, speed, processing power, and the cost. On the basis of the functioning, computer can be classified into three categories: analog, digital, and hybrid computers. Computer differ in the size, speed, and processor on the basis of their factors. On the basis of these factors, computer can be classified into four categories: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Microcomputers are made to be used by one person at a time. Students, desktop, laptop, and tablet are some of the examples of microcomputer. Now, mini computers are the small general purpose computers having the capability to serve a number of users simultaneously. Mainframe computers are very large, fast, and powerful computers. Supercomputers are the largest and fastest of all the types of computers, and they can process very large amount of data quickly. Okay, students. Now, digital camera, microwave, and ATM are some of the examples of the embedded computers. Smartphone, smartwatch, PD, and the gaming console are the examples of handheld computers. Okay, students. So here this chapter is complete, students. We will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, students, keep revising, keep learning. Thank you, students. All the best. Okay.